I just bought the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Pro, and in this video I will be unboxing it and do some basic setup. So this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So it's the box right here. Let's give it a quick look around because this is the star of the show today. And the one I chose is the gray. So let's get to it. I think Samsung need to do better at the packaging in terms of how easy it is to open. And here we go. So let's put the watch down here for a second and see what else is in the box. See, Samsung, you pay attention. It's hard for us to remove the documentation or whatever else is in here. So right here, nothing is in this box anymore. And I see documentation, a quick setup guide again, and on this side we have the charger. It felt like something else is in it, but there's nothing else inside there. What I'm feeling here is support for the box. So here is the charger, and it's a wireless charger, as you know, and it's USB-C again. USB-C to be plugged into any one of these chargers. So it can be plugged into this one for the wireless charger, or the adapter that I actually got with it, the second adapter, can use it in this USB-C here. So this adapter really works for a travel charger. So this is going to be my travel charger, so I can use a USB-A and a USB-C cable. So that's what I'm going to use this one for. Right, so here we go. Now to the watch. So, and on my hand right now, I actually have a Galaxy Watch 3. So I'm going to do a little comparison with them, a short comparison with it. So first thing, take it out. Yeah, nothing else in the box. And then this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let me get this off my hand for a second. So this is my Galaxy Watch 3. It didn't come with this band. So this is something I bought because of work, and my hands tend to get hot and sweaty, so I didn't want it to break. The Galaxy Watch 3 actually came with this band right here. I hardly use this band, but I do use it at times. It comes with this one. And Galaxy Watch 3 also has this wheel here, so I can cycle through all my menus. But Galaxy Watch 5 does not have it. There's nothing to turn. The other thing is the buttons on the side are different. They're the same in the same location, but they're shaped differently. And if you notice, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is much thicker than the Galaxy Watch 3, and it sports a much bigger battery. So tell me in the comments, do you think the 3 looks better than the 5? Or you prefer this scroll wheel? I kinda like the scroll wheel. I got used to it. So, and then you have the band right here. Just realized the band is similar to the silicone band here, so I thought it was more premium, but they feel similar. Seem like they're similar material. And then you have the locking mechanism on this. So if you compare this band from the Galaxy Watch 3, original Galaxy Watch 3 to here, you know it's different. So this band is a nice band. I like this. It's a quick lock mechanism. So let me take this out. Slide it through, and just clip this down, and it locks. Now it's locked. Then you can unlock it right here. So right here, just unlock it, release it. There you go. Now it's locked on my hand. So this is how it feels on my hand, right there. I actually like this locking. It's much easier than what I have right here, because I can now release this quickly. Alright, let's go on to booting this watch up. So this is the power button, and just like on this, just round, there's a power button. So on the side you have a microphone. This little hole here is a microphone right here. I don't think you have any other microphone on it, because you can actually make phone calls with this. So I'm going to turn it on right now. I have it boot up, and while I'm doing that, I'll get my phone in, because I'm going to set it up. And you're going to go to your Galaxy Wearable app, which is this app right here. Oh, it needs an update, so I'm going to get that update and come back to you. So while it's booting up, while the phone is booted up, I'm just going to update my Galaxy Wearable app. And my Galaxy Watch 3 is actually connected to this phone right here. So the Watch Pro is going to end up being my daily driver. So I'm going to now search. The wearable app is trying to connect back to this watch. So let me put this right here just to get that done. Alright, so it's reconnected to the Watch 3 as it says here, but I'm going to add the Watch 5. So you click on, let me go back, you click on these three little dots right here. So you click these dots here, add new device, and it's going to search. It finds a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So if you look at the watch, you also see it says 5 Pro, and then push up. It tells you which Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So it's a 58KF. You need to match this number if you have multiple Galaxy Watches around you. So if this number will match this number right here. So I'm going to touch this. So hit that. Again, it's saying to match the number on your watch. And this number here, both numbers match right there. So I just hit confirm. So check your phone to complete setup. So we're going to look at the phone, and it's downloading some software to the phone, to the watch. Alright, and then after it's finished, you're going to have to go through all of these agreements. Generally, sending diagnostic data, I'm not doing that. And automatic updates, that's optional, that's up to you. I generally do that. And then I just continue. Terms of service, and you can read through this. I generally accept all of them, because although location and all of that, the watch needs location, so I generally agree to that also. And it's getting the watch ready. So it's gonna run through this, and then we come back to it. Alright, so now that it has done that update, it's getting the Google information. So it's probably going to ask you to verify your Google account right here. So this is my primary account, so I'm going to continue. Continue as this. And it's going to now sign in and add that Google account to the watch also. So now it's asking me to verify my identity. I can use a PIN. I use my fingerprint for everything, so I'm signing in. So all of that is being done with the watch also. That interaction being done with the watch, although you don't see it on the screen. This is it just setting up the watch. So right now it's asking you if you want to auto backup your watch. I mean, it's a watch. I don't really need to back up the data, because I'm not doing a lot on it anyway. So I'm gonna keep that off. If you want to turn it on, you press that button. If you want to turn it off, I'm keeping mine off. Just gonna finish the setup and keep an eye on the watch right here. Let me take away this distraction right there. Now you see the watch has changed. You're all set. And then this will come to this menu right here. So I'm gonna move away the phone for a second, and I'm just gonna close the screen and come to the watch. So on the watch, you can take a tour. It comes to a little menu here, and you can take a tour. You can start to explain to you what some of the features are. So swipe down from the top for the quick panel. So swipe down. Quick panel shows you different settings, and swipe up. So you said for apps, swipe up, so get to your app. all the apps that are installed on the watch. And to go back to the home page, you just swipe back down, go back to home, then notifications to the left, swipe to the right to get notifications, and any notification just tap and it opens it. You can actually read that notification. So you swipe again and then swipe to the left, get back to the home page. For the tiles, you can swipe to the left so you can see our different features. Alright, just go through this and it will tell you. So you have the watch faces here. You can actually change your watch face from the screen. Just press, hold, tap the plus sign here, and you can now change the watch face. Choose any one you want. So you can go to, say that. It's gonna set up this one on it. I know that's gonna be the new watch face. You can customize it here too and change a few things on it. Let me go back home again. There's a watch face. So the screen is small. It's like a 1.4-inch screen. I would not suggest you try to customize it. All can be done from here. I would say you go to your phone. So you can come in the Galaxy Wear app and then you can choose your watch. Remember, I have two right now. So the Watch 3 is not chosen. So I'm on the Watch 5. I'm going to delete the Watch 3 because I'm going to send back the Watch 3 back to Samsung. So here you can choose watch faces. Now I can choose, let me bring this back out so you can see it. Go back home so you can see that. So you can choose, just watch the watch here. Just look at the watch here. I'm going to be changing the face easily. It's going to change it right here. That's so easy. It's better to do it this way because you can see clearer. And then when you want to change, it changes right here. See? That's how easy it is. And let's see. Alright, so up here, all the watch faces you have used before, they come up at the top here. So if you choose, I can go back to the very first one I had on the watch, and I can customize it. So here I can choose a different color. You see that? These are all pre-made. So I can change that again. Let me get the screen brighter. Watch the screen. I'm going to this red one. Oh, I have to save it. Sorry. I save it to the watch. See changes on the watch. Then I can go back again. Customize. I can use this one here. So I select that. Save. Watch changes to that new one. Customize. Now you can go to indexes. So the indexes are these little dots around it, going around. You can change it. So this one is the one with the blue around it right here. That's the one that's already chosen here. So if I go here and select that one and save, and it will say change on the watch. Now it changes to that one. I'm gonna go back to customize again. And hands. You can change how the hands look. So this one with the blue circle on it is the one that is saved, and that's what's on the watch right now. It looks exactly like it, right? Now let me get it closer to the phone. See that? I can get focused there. So that one right there is saved. So now I'm gonna switch to this one. So see the difference there? Just look at the hands, just the hands, the hour hand and the minutes. I'm gonna change it here. So I'm gonna save. See, change to that white one now. So any one of these watch faces can be changed. You can customize the colors, so you can change colors. You can change to whatever color you want, and it's the changes. And you hit save. The changes you make though, it's actually dependent on the watch face you have. So not all watch faces will have this customization as much as this one. These came from Samsung, so you can go there. This video has gotten way too long, so I'm gonna be doing another video, and I'm gonna be focusing more on the features, the power button here, the back button right here, and also some tips and tricks. So stay tuned for that. So like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment on what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in the comments below.